Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to Binance. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So currently, as you can see, right now we are on our Coinbase app and here is my wallet right there. So you're going to click on transfer and then you're going to click on send crypto. Now from here you're going to select whichever cryptocurrency that you might want or from whichever wallet. So from here you're going to select this specific wallet, but it's going to be blurred for security options. And then from here, you're going to click on Solana. And then from here, you're going to choose whatever amount you would like. So for example, $50. And then you're going to click on preview. And then from here, you're going to click on exchange. Now, as you can see, one of the options was Binance. So from here, you're going to scroll down until you see Binance itself. It's going to be right here. And then from here, all you have to do is write the full name and the country of residence. And after that, it will ask you for the information for the wallet address, which you will get by going back. And then from here, going to Binance. And then from here, once you go to your Binance wallet, all you have to do is go to your portfolio. And then from here, you're going to select on add funds. And then you're going to deposit crypto. And then from here, you're going to select whichever address you'd like. So for example, Solana. And then from here, you're going to choose your network. So it's going to be this one, for example. And then you're going to copy the address and then paste it back in the Coinbase wallet section, which is going to be right here. Once you click transfer and send crypto again, you will do the same information. But then from here, once it asks you for an address, then you will enter it right after the step. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.